custom fit, custom everything. This wasn't made for this, but it's an actual part that could fit it. So what we did was we skewed the ends at both sides, peel off both ends of both sides, giving it the opportunity to go in, and then we use that plastic trim around it, and that plastic trim goes in and seal. So basically, once this goes in and locks in, you really don't have any port coming out except for these port and that port right and the speaker itself. So by the time we're finished with that, it's a wrap. Custom finish, Maroon Global Solutions. This is how we do it.